This morning I tried to connect to YouTube and I see this message here saying YouTube refused to connect. So I say, shit, what's going on now? Everything was okay, but now and I cannot connect to YouTube. So I tried to search to see if I can find any way to solve it, but I couldn't find something that really works for me. So I think so maybe I have to do something. So what I did was this. I came here to the settings, I went to more tools, then I went to clear browsing data. So then this window pop up, and you can see here I just came here and then say clear data. So I clear the data, sign in, or clean the data. That time I had to sign in. So and then soon it finish, I restart the browser and immediately YouTube start working. So it works. Very easy step. Just clear the cache and that's it. I think it's all. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can put a comment and we'll see what I can do. Bye bye.